Yeah.
Because the things happening right in front of them. Yeah, you know. Because you know, go hold back like me, you know. You, I wanna drop it, me. Touch me hard, yo. Touch me hard, yo. Touch me hard, yo. Touch me hard. Yeah, really, yo.
You want them to try to teach, they can't get it. Change. And him are the only one that get it.
And you come and say you can't change that balance, you never change the way.
So now, we're supposed to sit down as the real God kings. So the little youth them can see how we live. Them are wait for say the assembly. And every 1,000 years we assemble in America.
Yeah.
Every 1,000 years we sit down and we reason. Yeah, and there's one that's coming with the answer to the universe. And it's when I want to drop it by you.
Get before the sun of money. You.
It's when I want to drop it by you. Try everything to destroy the guy. You want Jamaica under one umbrella. Change umbrella. So I said to the rest of them, you're going to kneel to change your balance. I said to the Christian them, you're going to kneel to change your balance. So when I come to give the man them, when I seal them heart and give them 2 words, believe mine, we take the whole galaxy and compress it into 2 words. Your eyeglass can't fall in love with your lighter. Love is not universal. Change your balance in the lighter. Change your balance in the eyeglass. Your emotions can't fall in love with the cup here.
No.
Change your balance in the cup. Change and balance in your emotions. Yes. I want to know the truth in the mosquito. I want to know the truth underneath the foot ants before it step.
Yeah.
I want to know the truth in the black hole. I want to know the truth in the Saturn. I want to know the truth in the wind. I want to know the truth in the color of the shirt. I want to know the truth in the bead. I want to know the truth in the marijuana. Yeah. When the bird them find a V formation, I want to know the truth. I don't want to know about humans alone.
It's the same thing like what Rana saying now. That's what I ask. Come on, no. That's why I listen what you say. That's why I ask the crew that tell me what you mean. And you say, two members I say, you run talk about it. You run say balance in the glass and in the cup. So when you say the whole away, I say my balance it to me.
Them give them one love, one out of Jamaica. Not like that, and them alone have love. We don't have no love down here.
One more. You speak only once.
One more.
Listen twice.
One more.
You must smell twice.
Look.
You must listen twice.
Look.
Twice. Here, twice.
You
movement and twice. One more twice. One more twice.
What? Speak.
Once.
One
more to get.
You get everything twice. Just like that's everything.
You know, say, alright.
This is the motel line.
You know, we talk this, yes, sir? Alright. Talk the next one.
Grab something in harmony. What can be like?
Continue. Okay, continue.
What can be like in harmony?
Continue.
Change and balance.
Yeah,
Change and balance. Peace and love can't build harmony.
You need harmony among hands. It's mosquito.
Speak.
The man so spiritual, them see a mosquito and say go on, you know, but if you lick me, I'm going to lick you back. Balance.
Yeah.
But him make him go on.
Yeah.
If you pitch, I stay still for the bees. I say, I make you go on, and I'm not hurt you.
Yeah.
But you see, if you hit me,
you're going to hit you.
Change and balance.
Change and balance.
And you hit me first.
Yeah, change and balance,
Yeah.
I'm going to hit you.
Brothers and sisters over the world, we tried a long journey. This is the run we hide in Manchester.
This is just run.
In the chest of a man, that's where I start.
Run.
In the chest of a man, that's where I start.
Alright.
And we then at the hills, we never get safe to come here. We was here in the hills from
the beginning. Before.
That's it. So them right
before the maroon.
So now we, like you said, both forgive your words for balance you. We say agenda unity, because me and you not going to unify because you believe in something and use a different guy. So we say agenda unity. We don't say unity no more. We add agenda to it.
Yes.
One land, make product, one Jamaica, that is the agenda.
Yeah.
And once we are unified underneath an agenda, we unify.
Yeah, man, not gonna say one umbrella.
So, Mark, the concept of unity is a confusion. But if we have the same mind, which is the agenda, we unify. Because if we spirit and our mind link up, we're good.
We're good.
Right?
We're good.
So we change our mind to have the similar agenda. To protect Jamaica and push out the boy them and try to take. The assemble has to happen to give the youth them change and balance to govern them life. So they not have to read no long book and look for God. God is change and balance.
Yeah.
So then we lick them now. We say if we can't lick them so hard, you know, because we shake them up, you know.
Yeah.
It's a supernova earthquake that come there, so you know.
But guess you have a spirit in you.
So me have to lick them.
No, but you got a spirit in you, When you approach certain people, you know how to take it to them.
So because you were never created, all you do is change and balance different dimension. So nothing now make you. You're infinite, always was, always be.
Jeez.
You is a part of the all. You're not the all.
A part. Yeah, just like a crew does.
So you,
Yes.
you're the farmer. You're the change and balance. You're the change. No farm you. You're not make you. You're not make you. You're change you. Because you was once butterfly.
Yeah. But you have changed.
You change into this now.
No, those are the crystals.
And then you change again. And then you change again. And you infinitely change. So Jah is a change and a balancer. Jah is not a creator.
Change and balance.
Jah is a change and a balancer.
Teach you about the beginning of life.
So then there's no beginning and end to you.
Hey,
So in the beginning when them write about is when your brain start begin to interpret them.
Them type of life.
When your brain start beginning to interpret what they on this realm, you say in the beginning of your brain start growing.
Yes, they just start getting beginning.
That's why we ask them who was there before the beginning. Who was there before the beginning?
So there's no beginning.
Because somebody must stand before the beginning.
How you form into this dimension and you start recognize yourself as man.
Him tell me that, man. Him teach me, I'm looking at myself. Just like
So then if them say there's a beginning and end to you, you're dead in your head. You're dead in your head for so long. Because you wait for the end. And you look for the beginning. So you're dead from the day them teach you, you're done. So me have to come to liberate your mind.
All of us.
For sure me say, we're not dead. We're not just change. I want to balance.
Yo, are you come to emancipate themselves from the mental slavery?
Come and take away the first chapter out of them little book. Because they were crooks trying to rip me off my looks. The African king. The ancestors, the pyramid builders. Them afraid of me. Now me take with them beginning and they don't know if it begin or end. Now them become infinite in their mind and they can't control themselves. So they come in at the connection with the all. You don't say almighty, you say almighty. Because the nothing is the all.
Every man on earth.
You know say almighty not right in a Mars.
Because we created this image.
All. Not about your glasses,
Every
your emotions, your idea, the smoke, every planet, every. So when you pray now, you go up on your knees and say, give thanks to the all. And you see when you pass a bird, the bird say, hey, me recognize you, Can you give thanks to me, the bird? The ocean, the wind, and the Africans used to do it.
Yes.
So that when you go to the ocean, and the wind, I say, I want to kill them all, But you bring over because you say, give thanks to the all, the ocean say, yo,
Jump!
Never spare life. Can you recognize the roses? You recognize the ants. That's the all.
Every creation.
So we have to change them prayers too. You can't pray to man. You have to pray to the all. So
That's where them go wrong, man. That's where them go wrong.
This dude say, that boy, I recognized me last night when I prayed.
Yeah.
So now I left him.
The purpose of if you chat English is for water we don't, man.
Water dry.
Yo,
Water dry.
Oi!
the reason to speak English of the water you don't. To make you get obedient, if you make you obedient your slave master.
You can bring within to there is a connection between creation.
Watch out.
Run the tell me.
The water right now.
You can't tell us, say, I'm the one you to get it. We are one. Blessings run. Run.
Tell us so.
Run.
It's not easy to be who we are.
We have to flush out ourselves, in other words. So we have to
Wow.
De-eradicate. We have to de-eradicate out everything. Why in our system? And refresh yourself and come again.
This is right.
To the foundation.
Yeah, run.
We have to be the correction.
Yeah, run, because we're trying to run. So run, we're trying to run. Cool that is, Mr.
You see what I say?
Watch out.
Flash!
Oh, you get the shoes. Me, I pray for and pay a shoe, but you get it before me. But my life, I living dirty, not clean. Towards my co-worker, my friends, my family. But you live a good life. Give it the last one you have, and you pay for one pair of shoes and get in a two.
It ain't called you no run.
Exactly.
No.
I pay one, the man same going.
No.
And I hear saying,
And if them say a 10,000 pound a day, me a come.
yeah, man. Yeah, man, you know,
Right
fear
now,
people,
you
man.
can't call
Heart,
it
you have
like-
enough, you know, right?
Listen.
You know, it's about heart, you have enough, right?
So
The
when
mindset what you have enough.
when Unu give me the love, and the one of them try to fight me and kill
And
me,
they accept
and me have to
that.
come here so to get the love, me say, but what? And then when me see the 10, me say, but me.
Yeah, man, you say that.
Me reach. Me have to tell them who me is, what me come to do. And me have to deliver them the 600 video and the 2,000 book me go Africa go give them. And then me bring it come get. Because nobody else ever they accept me. Because we too infinite. We think infinite. You use a brain here, now use the one here, sir.
No, you see.
There's a brain here, sir, and there's one here.
Enough of we are
We using the infinite mind.
systematically.
The infinite mind, everything they say is infinite. It's the opposite to change. When me give you something in a brain,
Infinite man, infinite.
when me give you something infinite, you can't go above it, you know?
No.
When me tell you, say, T is equal to C and B. Truth is equal to change and balance. The Almighty, everything that happens in the universe is doing only two things. It is changing and it is balancing.
Balance.
That you get 2 years, 2 years, 2 years.
The repercussion of slavery is create so much impact.
Hey,
That's
listen.
a lot of people now look on.
Run. You know,
And
man.
enough people just feel to say, them expect the people to just come out of this thing. But you know, look on the repercussion of the event what actually happened. Because in every action, there is a reaction.
Your turn now.
You know, see?
Yeah.
Who you believe, say? You could have talked with them, and now you believe you could have hold them there and welcome them then on my level.
Alright, good. You have changed your mind.
Yes, we get it.
You
we
have
know
it. So you have to change how you approach everyone. When you approach them with love and calm, your frequency with your voice, you have to change. Every man around here says a baby. Them are infant, you know.
Yeah, we have charge about
You think them a man, and you know he's a man. They have an infinite mind. Them are babies. You must treat them like them a little picnic. You can't talk to them like them a big man. Them are slave-minded humans. So when they have mercy upon them, even when them thief from me, coming with them a little slave-minded picnic.
You know, some of me alone can interact with you on the levels where you're there. I mean, and look now, me tell you come here with a competition mind, and you was not bringing here with a competition mind, but with a upbringing mind, good life. Bring we up, put we up, build we back to the strength where we're supposed to be. Give we the godhead where we need in our soul. We be the person where we're supposed to be. Remember, you're not in the negative vibes. You're not in the hey, run.
So I'm not sure.
Run.
When you recognize the seal of mercy, you must say mercy, you know, forgiveness and love. And when the teacher them say teach about, you know.
Alright, that's God. You see,
You know me ask.
see teacher, we
You know
just
me ask this day. You know me ask this day.
Yes, sir.
You know me worship this day. Because listen now. You know the day when me they say no. Nobody listening to me. Nobody can understanding our military. You see what me they say to them? It's like, listen me now. They don't tell us that the water deep. You know in the water already, you know. We're stuck in the water already, you know.
So you know
We're
about
almost
it.
down in the water
know about
already.
it.
I mean, tell you about the water.
Know about
But you can't come to the grip of 1 minute, show you about the water, then you just jump into the water and do. So how me don't get you back? How me don't talk to you? How me don't change others?
See, before you make every step, say to yourself, I am practicing change. What changes am I going to make to balance the situation? If you look at the situation, a gunshot could have fired. A machine could have chopped off. You started the frequency. You start the wiring by your approach. Me can walk now and get to a city man and say, look, I don't come from around here, so. If you wish to kill me, I go kneel down before you shot me in the back of the head. But I come for a reason. This is who me is.
Yeah.
This is what I come for.
Yeah.
Them say, alright, where I come for? I come for going to 2,000 books. I come for teaching you something.
Yeah.
Me not come from here.
Yeah.
Me don't want no money and no trouble. But me have to come here because I'm a mission.
Your mission.
So if me explain myself to a man, a man can say,
That's lamb
You be top. Do this.
no, me do this because why? Change and balance.
You have to change.
Because you know why.
Sometimes I go some places. I have to talk to certain faces.
Yeah.
Sometimes I go to some places. I have to talk to certain faces.
Faces.
Yes. So it's good. It's
Run.
some high time.
Run.
You know, run. You don't know how you do.
Run. Let's go.
But you see,
Run.
me have to always hide myself
Because you know.
for the light.
Run.
Look at me. Look at me. You don't never know some are Rasta.
Run.
Alright.
You don't never know.
Alright.
Let me ask you one question. Go on.
So never walk against the Christian then. If me have on this.
Run younger than me. You know.
I relax,
Yo.
When me put this away, I walk up to them accept me.
Right.
When me put this on,
They now want to see.
they don't want to see me.
Why? Seriously?
Seriously? That represents.
And the power this, you know. They don't want to see the power. They don't want to see Africa.
No, they don't want to see.
Because Europe in them head, them dead. So when them see this, them run.
The Bible
They run me.
The Bible
So
tells
me
you
come
never
up
live
like
in
myself so me can be among them.
Yeah.
For freedom.
Bible tells you
Until I
never
teach
live in
them
them.
Until I teach
That's
them.
why you
Without-
have.
That's why me
grew up.
Without pressure.
That's why you grew up.
So when me grow it now, me no need to be among them. When me put it on and say me go to the mountains, me no walk among them
You
no
have to
more.
walk on them now, because you done the
With them on my people
You
now.
come preach and teach already.
Yeah, me done. First you have to walk among them.
Yeah, man.
Preach and teach.
When the Almighty said, go into the Gideon and go get killed, boy. And you say, alright,
Go
Almighty,
there.
me gone.
Yeah,
Go
man.
there,
Yeah,
walk
man.
up there.
Man.
So we have to try to
One question I'm asking.
More and more rum.
Feel something wrong with you, exalt yourself for what goodness I got to do for you.
He said something wrong.
If there's something wrong with a person, like if God do something good in your life, you should exalt your friend and tell him what God do for you.
And every time.
Well,
Very good, Joe.
I'm going to cut that in.
Alright, just give praises and give thanks.
Alright.
Yes.
There's no such thing called exile.
Excellent.
Yeah. You ever tell
A
him?
man must be deaf to what you are said to the Almighty. And you and the All, you know. No man don't really exist but you and the All.
Yeah. We tell him.
Oh, me look at it, you
Don't
know.
worry about man.
No, I don't really say no. I don't really say no, Uncle Ran. But watch out now, what I say.
Everything the
No,
Almighty
no,
do for
Ran,
you,
Ran.
speak it
Ran,
loud and
Ran.
clear.
Look at Uncle Ran. The reason why more time I do it, you know. Even since me down my workplace, I realize that when I go somewhere and pull the shed when I work, I don't shed a store room. It's about 60 feet long by 20 feet wide. So man time me the first man going and the second man, anytime I reach it, no matter when it. I always say give God thanks and praise unto the most time I reach it. Here man start saying, now! It's supposed to be like keep it to myself.
Grand.
You see, because the voice is infinite, when you speak, me speak. When you want back up, me dear.
You remember that word? Say if you that tone and my man run by you, you don't feel energy.
You
You
know
must say you
You
tell
know where the energy there? That energy the eye. You know what people that country and they say, you know me some more say run. And you know say you just come and mob here. I'm going to look at you.
Yeah, but God say you tell me
You look up in around.
You
You
see?
have a second one.
You see?
And this morning,
Yo,
Anything
jump.
you
Very
want
powerful.
at the states.
Powerful.
Anything you can explain, you know. The all will present.
the all.
The all will present.
Yeah. I'm
If the man
good
have a
at it,
problem,
well, what I
the all.
see. And when they look at it, swap.
The Almighty, why you can't
See
get
right.
to them? Don't worry. One is coming.
Yeah.
By the next
Yeah,
morning.
Mr. Gone out.
That's
Long
the
as the
morning when you
outside
all run
out
to. You don't have to see me.
Yes.
Long as the outside out time mouth.
The
Run,
network.
run.
The network of the all. The network.
Of the all.
The network.
Of the all.
The network.
Of the all.
If
Pick
the
it up.
filter, now listen to me now. If the heart chakra,
Yeah.
the energy of the electrical magnetic
Yeah, I know. I'm
energy here,
feeling
Come
like
through the
that.
mouth.
and the SUN, if your frequency is love, you will levitate on the same frequency of all those who is love. If you're in pain, I will come because our frequency is the
In
same.
same.
Yes.
Boom.
Yes.
The electrical magnetic energy of the frequency.
One
Because
more
the same
thing.
infinite thing that I talk
One
about
more thing.
is our electrical energy, we're infinite. The heart pump it, the sun get it, another sun get it, and so the network of the all, when this man call, I will be there.
Whoa.
Yes.
Bad me up. Careful again. Because the energy is
So
strong.
now, if he's been attacked by any circumference, when we come now, there'll be a new thing.
New face.
I'm going to teach him how to change and balance to interact with the nonsense. Come and build a new fence. A new container. A new way of speaking to
Give him
them.
a shield too.
Give him a shield.
Give him a shield, bro. And know if you use it.
I give him a tool with infinite change and
When
balance.
I'm give me a little bit of fear to most of God, I'm give me a little bit, brother. I got open knowledge and that, brother. Because I come see.
When man experience things on earth, we coexist with other man. Man will leave words behind.
Yes.
Like a snail leave a mark.
Yeah.
Yes.
The book, or any books, your brain is 12% of capacity.
Yeah.
You're not fully developed yet as a brain. Process that.
Yeah.
See, everything you think you know is changing. So everything you just define, give me, when you become 200 years more year, it will change. Because your brain will grow.
Where they are living are dead.
So your ego and your energy to satisfy your mentality is everything will come out of your mouth. You will open your mouth because this
Thank you,
want to be
Father.
satisfied.
Until the last year.
To satisfy this, you have to be a butterfly. The butterfly no talk. The butterfly no question. And the butterfly do not need no definition. Because of your little brain where you have, you run around with language and words and definition. Feel good within yourself. Because you're the on a frequency. So now, the beautiful thing is, you see when you get to the stage of a butterfly where you not have to use this, then you don't have to ask no question and have no definition of nothing with it on earth. Because you're in the frequency and that's what this life is worth. You, with all of them Roman information, you can't read hieroglyphics, you can't read. So if the language is 2,000 language and now you as an Englishman only have one, what definition are you speaking of? When your information is one dimension. And we are come from 2,000 language in Africa. So what are you really saying to me? You're playing in a them little big pen with them laneway off of where we build with 2,000. So the humility that all of us must have is that what the butterfly know is not knowing that that's what we need for reach. What we have to do is for open our mouth when we just have a dragon stout to drink. When you go to Africa and drink from the deepest well of the infinite ancestors, that's when you open. Because your wisdom will be an infinite circle. Anything you say a man can go above it. When you're not prepared, you can't speak from an English mind as an African spirit. You're speaking from an English mind as an African spirit. Your father never teach you him live in Africa.
Go now.
You never had a father. You had a slave master. You never had a father because you never had a language of your ancestors.
Sure,
The reason why I give you change and balance. Enough Jamaican man sit down stuck. I argue about the same little maze where they put them in. I know this right, I know this wrong, are you wrong? A bunch of buffoon, British speaking African men speaking English arguing among each other. You see when the slave master look on Jamaica, them laugh. You see, look on them little slave here. In their mind, they chain them there. The 20 lashes that was on your back will clear up, 20 lashes in your head. So when you hear them talk about, when you talk about Jah, the creator, them look on and laugh. When them have the information, no say nothing no create, nothing no start, it only change and balance them. No! So that's why them rich and you poor. Because your mind is poor. You're confused. You're struggling with the words them where them give. You're locked in one cage. You're trying to decipher them words and you don't know them language where them locked in at the damn book. If you don't know astrotheology, you don't know what Bible I talk about. If you don't know Greek or Latin, you don't know what the Bible talking about. You have to know what part is astrotheology, what part is reality, what part is mystery, which you have to cut it up in a different section. It have algorithm story, some are African story, some are thief, some are creation story, and when them assemble it and dash it power. None of we ever build a new one. But Jefferson can cut it up and build for him. Them can build for them. Jefferson Bible, Jefferson Quran, but where is the black man Bible?
No, we have none.
Because we're free. Because in it tell us that if you touch it, you're dead. But them can't touch it.
Yeah, if you fight against what I say.
So when them give with the chain in our brain, when them little things upon earth, me must come address. When me infinite, as a man think it so he is. So if you infinite, become your feeling light, we don't know.
Yeah.
You don't come here to fight, we don't know. You come here feeling light. You see? So if me waste time and fight with your brain, then 2 hours 15% brain just to make up nice. I'm gonna reach 100 yet.
No.
So me had to go beyond the brain, physical, and go to the infinite brain. And when me go to the infinite brain, the first said, brother, change and balance. You know, see what you say? Me can go back and teach them this. Yeah man, if you make it, because if you don't make it, you know, the enemies are going to come everywhere you turn around, them are come for you, you know. Can me open up a portal? When me not supposed to open up a ring, come your side up. But when me give it to you now and say, look, if me not live visit tomorrow, remember what me tell you now.
Yeah, but I will have years you know.
Remember when me tell you now. Because if me not live, if me not live, remember me did walk monsoon until.
That's what they want.
Can me just deliver it before me go, because them after me. Me not supposed to reach them say.
All the profit for them.
You see the history where they want to kill? And the galactic history they want to kill it.
Yeah, because you know, I galaxy.
In the universe where we part of, that's where they want to disconnect with from me go fight, you know.
This time, I get the Chinaman universe. So the whole of them are locked. We didn't dominate the song.
So when me tap into it, I say, no, me have to get my brother them back in this.
You sure you want to see, man?
Me have to put them on them back in the network.
This is where I'm supposed to be.
You're welcome. You're back in the universe. You can only be back in the universe when you're doing what the universe is doing. When you're thinking what the universe is doing. As a man thinks, so is he. If you're thinking change and balance, you're part of the galaxy. But if you're thinking about man and biblical information, you're part of man.
You're still down.
You're still down. After every prayer, you say amen. Then you direct your energy to that entity. Anything of man, capture your energy. Everything your word. If you say, oh great run, and even when I'm dead, you have to bring me alive. So Julius Caesar, Jesus Christ, Constantine, it took 300 men to make the concept of a teacher divine. But they take it from the sun, S-E-N, the 12 zodiac, the 12 disciples, the son of God. That's why when him reflect on water and walk on water, that's why him come again and again and again. All our teachings come from the stars. We have one son, one God yourself, see him up there. And him are the son of God. Him are our savior, our salvation, our love. And the Bible talks about the light, the love, and the one eye. Now him is masculine because he's a son, Mother Earth is feminine. The universe is the womb. Listen. Listen up. So the stars in the womb, you know. The transformer planet, the womb, the woman, boom, boom. And the same thing the black hole. When it take in a planet, it split it out in another dimension and it form again. So that's what the baby is. You know, see all the star. So if all I know a star, So the woman, the womb, and the planets are on. That's why I'm a man, but she is woman. So the womb of the heavens is the same thing down as flesh. So the universe is reflected in you. So the energy and the stars and everything when you walk with, you're a galaxy.
Why are
So the prism is a galaxy. The infinite is infinite in the hands. Size is not is a perception. So no, what I'm show you says that the womb. So when she come on earth now, you know so she love shiny things like those stars shine, the black hole. And she don't have no they would give her and give her can't done. So then you want the definition of a woman. You have to look to the embodiment of all the stars. When she come down here in Africa, they cover her eyes because she said, baby girl, you're destroying all the stars in the skies. Because she come down from earth and said, I want everything will shine. Give me the diamond, it is mine. And the stars, them she shake. The black hole, see a star, it's a coffee. A woman that you know. Oh, but you can't get it if you don't get it from me. You can't get it if you don't get it from me. You can't, this kind of person I know about infinite galaxy.
So you know.
Ah!
Oh, you know. So why then don't do the same research?
What you tell me are from within you. Same thing with everyone. What if Ran sit down for 36 years upon that? And Ran start get some words and one just write. And Ran start write the words them down. And one of the words said, if death exists between time and space, fruits on the tree should not be picked. To get it full advantage of it, you climb the tree and bite the fruits directly. Let no books come between you and your fruits. Let no book come between you and your youth. If you separate yourself from the tree, you'll end up in misery. If you remain connected to the branch, you'll get a second chance.
Yeah, you can't go for the tree and bite like you know, right.
So if Ran sit down and that come to me, and there was a fish underneath the sea that speaks to me that many can't see, the fish with the light. And Ran sit down and Ran said, what's that? Talk to me, man. The universe talk to me. Let me write them things I don't. The all is speaking to me through the tree. Through poetry. This all is speaking to me through poetry. Inspiration, like Bob Marley write music. So wait there. If me listen to this poetry, the all will explain to me. So what is woman? Woman, who? I'm just stars in her skies. Her moving black hole as she move her ties. She's coming closer to my light, a light that shines so bright that will turn her days into night. This woman is a black hole. She come close to the sun, which is me. She take me and she transform me in a dimension just like a baby. That's what woman is. Cover your eyes and destroy all the stars of the skies. Sure. So when them come from earth, the African veil them and say, no look on no vanity yourself. Sure. Because if you look on vanity yourself, you're going to destroy everything that the heavens up there. So we have to balance the woman them. Because we know what them is. Them is the womb. And we are just the stars. And when the woman them come down and them broke out.
Still having no eyes, Ran.
And then now what happened to the universe of balance?
If you don't stand strong, you get damage. If you don't strong, you get damage. If you're not strong, you get
so
damage.
then we come to teach them change your balance. Change your ways, change your maths.
Everything.
You can accomplish the land.
To catch your balance.
You have to change your maths. Change how you talk to people.
Yes.
Change what time you wake up. Change where you wear.
Lifestyle.
Change where you eat.
Lifestyle.
Change where you sleep.
Everything.
Change how much money you have. Figure out where you have to change and change it. To balance. More. Change what you have to change and change it. To change what you need to change in your life. To make have the balance that you need. The star is not representing Selassie or King David. It's representing Saturn.
That's 6 corner.
Saturn. Every man you see of the star.
Yeah.
They are worshipping a Saturn. It's a Saturn worshipping cult. Wait there. The word Satan, Saturn.
Oh, so
Whoa.
I've been just saying out there, listen to me.
Listen now, hear her. when the one where the ears ringing out them ears and the ring on them finger, this planet is a Saturn worshipping planet.
Satan worshipping.
You know what it is? That's why I'm not waiting.
So, and Saturn, the next planet you talk about.
That is it. Listen to me now. Our system, you know here, the oldest book is the stars above.
Galaxy.
Saturn, Jews, Jupiter, chosen one because it's the biggest. It protects the earth from the asteroids. Because the Jupiter, when the asteroid will destroy earth, it pulls the stone them from the earth. So the Jew is the chosen one to protect us. So the S-U-N, which is your savior, that's how you gain life, yes.
Son.
The Saturn or Satan, the one, the red one, the point is, in a literal, what it's doing is transforming the stars, which are the fallen angels.
Yeah.
So if I hear the word angel in the Bible, I'm going to talk about stars
Stars.
that fall from the sky.
Yeah, can
I don't know guy with a wing.
No.
So no, Lucifer too is just a star.
Was it just a star?
Lucifer is the morning star. Now the three kings, the three stars, them will line up when the baby was born, when the sun aligned with them three stars.
Yeah.
And you see when them look to the winner, you see the Jesus Christ character, they model that baby after the star, the S-U-N of God.
I'm born by the same.
So now on December 25th, the sun in our crux and then it rises. It tip across the ocean, Jesus walks across the water or reflect. This whole creation story of a man God, it is a transformation of nature, which is the star they put in front of God. So now, because the son of man is male, it shine a sperm on earth and the tree grow.
Yeah.
Every sun ray is a injection into her, and then she grow.
Yeah.
Something I breathe out of that.
Yeah.
So the
Something.
mother, right? So there's a change and balance happening between him and her. So him give it life. Him give it sperm. Him give it love. Him give me want. Him our father.
Yeah.
Him our only God. Him our only son of God.
Yeah.
Without him, there will be no life here.
First, man.
You have to go through the son to get through the father.
Yeah,
The father is the network, you know.
Yeah, man.
The all. But our electrical heart chakra have to go to the
Yeah, man. The son
S-U-N
that, man.
in order to get to the
Yeah,
network.
man. The son that, man.
So me can't go to the father, the all, unless me go through this your son, yeah.
Yeah, man. The son is like the current.
Because
If you
use a
plug in
little
that
son.
current, yeah.
You make up from him.
Yeah, man. If you don't plug in that current, God is like
And
the
that's why
current.
you spend
God is
S-O-N.
like the current.
So then put everything I saw in the Bible, but I'm talking about the S-U-N. And the S-U-N them get all teachings from. So the son of God. And sometimes you search the Bible, you will see the
So
S-U-N.
Jesus Christ come through the Son. God.
Jesus Christ is the son.
He is the son of God.
God.
The Son.
Is the 12 zodiac, the 12 disciples. So in order to keep astrotheology, them write it in form of Matthew, Pete, Luke, and John. A cover up. It is the ancient information in the Bible they're covering up. The Masons know what it is. It's an astrotheology book, the oldest book in the universe.
Yeah.
From man interpretation.
From man start.
From man interpretation
From
and understanding of it.
From man.
But with 12% brain.
Yeah.
So we're not really ready yet.
Yeah, for it.
So the book are going to change.
Yeah.
And for balance.
It have to change. The last year.
Change, balance.
So now when you start over, say many teachers are decoded for teaching what it is.
Yeah.
It is not understanding what in the Bible, is understanding what it is. You don't look in our you don't go in our maze, go run up and down and tell, but me know the maze from in the maze. You go above the maze. You go and say, oh the maze, oh see the door there, see the door there, see the door. You have to go up higher than the maze. So we're going to the universe find out what the mother on earth.
Yeah.
So then you will never be trapped in the maze.
I'm going. Well, you can't do enough of these pastors, they call themselves prophets and say them are eat people in the church.
Alright.
Look for people and them a drop. They touch people and them a
Some
drop.
others man.
You want to know. Remember, say Earth have a lot of variables. The universe have infinite variables. Any man can do anything he wants.
Miraculous
Any
thing.
little house.
Miraculous thing.
Any man can create a circle because the man a participate in the all. When a man have track, a man is good. A prophet can be here and touch a man leg and say, Jano! Can't walk.
Yeah.
Because this man have the frequency of love.
Yeah.
So true men and healers live among us. Rasta man a healer through music. But man still live.
Yeah.
Rasta man heal. Prophet, some of the preachers them Them have the gift. Them have the frequency.
Some of them.
Some of them, most of them are participating in a Babylon system with them own gift.
I thought that.
So the key thing is,
See, no for them,
if a pastor can't give me the answer to the universe,
Wow.
if him can't tell me what the all is doing, more have to make him tell me what the all are doing at the weed. Truth in here, so. Truth in the smoke. Smoke a change and balance.
But they find that. Solomon Griffin said find one.
No, forget Solomon, that temporary. Akanekan was before Solomon. Imhotep was before Solomon.
That means they find fire here.
Stop them
That means
things
that
there.
Solomon come see man and smoke weed there. Just got to the point and say Solomon come see man and smoke weed.
Change and balance.
Change and balance. I just to come up to think.
I don't want to go to the little boy for answers no more. We can't stop with the...
Change and balance was real.
If me and you can be infinite, if you say you're part of God and you can speak like the all, you don't know the all.
So the part of they said, the part in the Bible they
No.
So
said,
you can speak confused.
in
Yeah.
general, the part of they said
Yeah.
the earth is the land.
So you've been confused.
Yeah.
So you don't know God.
No.
You will never live to know if you're not change and
Because
balance.
you don't know about change, man. So you never
You
know
will
God.
And you know willing to change and
So in
balance.
your brain you can't use God if you don't know God.
You know willing to
And if
change
you're
and
not
So look
balance.
how your life turn out.
And if you're not
Do you
change and
say you
balance.
suffer?
Yeah.
And only when you feel pain, you feel pain. You don't suffer. Only when you feel hunger, you feel it. What is pain? And when you feel it,
And
no.
talk about it.
Yeah.
There's no pain.
Change and balance.
Either your brain, the pain there. Separation in your mind.
Yeah.
The riches in your mind.
Yeah.
The poverty in your mind. Everything in your mind. So if you
None of us can free ourselves
but you can.
from mental slavery. You have to free yourself, brother. Straight up.
And if when you just sit down and dig deep enough, when I tell you that change and balance,
Run.
you just couldn't
Run.
put in that
Run, you got
truth.
some.
The perfect thing about change is constant. So when you say a man can't change, it's like you have to change of opposite. Change of opposite.
One can do. If you see a man could listen, as I some time now, man I tell lie, you know. Me is a good listener, now. Could I say? What about if he come from sea and say, Lindsay, yo, no go there second the water, turn away. You know. I could have tell me, I go out there and drown. No say you set to run in the other part. They could have beat in my head, so why? Get some people like that don't go run. It doesn't matter, they will go and know say why they drown. And then where they may attack on Quran.
But if
You
you
mean
know
to
the
do
change
that
and
to me
balance,
this month?
sometimes if you know the change and
Nah, I
balance,
believe you.
can
Nah,
Yeah,
you know the change and the water.
so why the people
Yeah,
can't
I know the
change
change.
and look at it and say, yo,
That,
no,
but
some of you
you
have
know,
food
you
and say,
still you get up to 4 or 5 kilo. You have to 4 or 5 kilo because listen, you see a man can't say in a year. You know.
But it never change. But it never
No,
change
no,
to that.
just enjoy the seed on the stone.
Yeah.
And the seed on the stone grow and the one and chew on the dirt and the tar no grow.
Yes, Lindsay, you can't say in a year, Lindsay. Listen to me. Why you pull to a knowledge, why you not pull to destruction and break down yourself? Why you pull to knowledge? Because you need knowledge.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you is like the fertile seed when you up on the land. We need
On the rock
fertile
itself.
side.
But
You
those
is not
kitchen
the one,
and
you
dirt
is
kitchen
not the one who
water.
up on
And
the
the
rock,
grow.
you know.
And the one on dirt dead.
Yeah.
It comes good
It's
too.
not like the one on the rock, you know.
Yeah.
You was the one on the fertile side. so
That means
this side.
me them out a lot of people.
Yes,
So,
well, you know, gain
That's-
knowledge.
yeah.
So you don't always have knowledge. That's the truth, you know. So there is no way to change you away from where you choose, you know. Because, alright, this man tells us you're infinite. When the man says you're infinity, that's when you're in space with everything.
What is this man frequency? A lie detector is this. I am this. I am a wave, an infinite line.
Yeah, for you.
Never no beginning, no end. Same thing
Yo.
for that man. Part of that 8. A little
Me
part
nah
of it
hear.
in the on earth right now. Want me transform and keep on the journey to transform into something else. So this man where you meet will have this frequency.
Oh,
Him frequency need to come down.
oh.
That is what the word is, your Lord and Savior. And the word Savior.
No,
Even the word and the book will help that man. The word and the love will you show that man will change in frequency. So this man can change. It will take time. It takes time for change we into what we are. that man will take time for change. Sometimes his expectation is that he want the man to change right now.
Right away. Don't answer the word of the mouth.
I know, some people say like that. Yeah, man.
You come down to something like that, say the word of your mouth.
Right away.
General.
Stop smoke and start drink.
Watch out, General. The word of the mouth and the meditation of the heart. I can change it. Until the children balance.
The word is
And the meditation of your heart.
frequency. The boom.
Yeah, because I can't say.
Can change.
Yeah, because I can't say.
If you know why you hear the word, you know you have a change.
See? But they're going to take time.
Time to.
So we can't change your
one. Take time to change.
But watch out, what's that?
until you come back again.
But I know every Jamaican man supposed to hear this story. Every Jamaican.
I see you as
So be patient.
yeah.
Are you coming back again and again? So the position of the sun change and them call it night. The trees rest when the sun now go down. The trees now relax because the electrical energy now pull it up. So you will sleep because the tree is asleep because you use the tree. And the tree is one. You just have dust coming from the earth. You come from your sun. Sun will pull you up and give you energy to move around. The beautiful thing about this whole blessings we are dealing with, even though you see the volcano out the road, when you see another man being disrupted, remember the bacteria and virus there, you know. You have good bacteria and you have bad bacteria. In your stomach you have good bacteria and you have bad bacteria. In the world earth you have good bacteria and bad bacteria. My child earth, just make it true so much can change our balance, true.
You hear that part?
No, we don't need no DNA. We don't need no worry. We might have eaten in the pool in the woods. We don't need none of that.
No, I'm gonna test you. I'm gonna test you. You what Jah tell me? Don't make them test you. The devil's gonna test you, but Jah is gonna bless you. Be the best you. Don't make them infest you. Don't make them inject you. Be the best you. Hell. Be the best you and Jah will bless you. You see me? So here's it. I'm broken. Don't make them test you. I even impress you. I even request you. Jah will bless you if you be the best you. So if me be the best change and balance, then can't test me.
Test me.
Me don't make them request me.
Alright.
Them can't impress me.
Alright.
Because then go and test you, Then come for infest you. When me sit down and I play the beat, and me get the song, and me start sing it, and just said to me, Ran, don't let them test you. They might go come for try to manifest you, but Jah will bless you. You are not replicable, nor are you able to be duplicated. You are a treasure that is one of a kind. Yeah, man. If what you're saying on earth does not relate to every star in the galaxy, you play with humanity.
Earth there,
so your frequency will always just levitate here.
Earth.
You'll be among man in chaos.
You can't go.
So now, if my loyalty is to universal laws, listen to my loyalty. There is 4 C's in the galaxy when one teach, and one B. What we call creation is connected. Me and the bird. Coexistence. Me and the tree have to coexist.
Yeah.
And then so you have creation, which is the first C, where you everything, we call it C, but it's really the all, right? Then you have coexistence. Me and you have to coexist, no matter what you are. And then we have connection, it's still in the all. And then we have change, in the all.
The all.
But guess what? You see the change is all of these C's. The creation of change, the connection of change, the coexistence of change. So what change describe these 4 C's?
Yeah.
And then you have 1B, the big finger called balance. So this is change and this is balance.
4 of them are change.
So these are the laws. So when I talk about this, the loyalty. These are the laws of loyalty to the universe.
Simple.
You and everyone coexist. You and everyone connect. This is the infinite creation and the infinite change. So that's what you have to loyal to. You have to loyal to the connection between me and the bird.